How to log in Atlantic Bay Mortgage online account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to learn how you can easily log into Atlantic Bay Mortgage account online, whether you are using your computer, your mobile device or your tablets. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and in the URL box type in www.atlanticbay.com and search. You'll find yourself in the home page of Atlantic Bay Mortgage Group. Go to the top right corner and look for the Make a Loan Payment button. Click on it and it will take you to this portal from where you can sign into your account. On the left hand side in your loan portal, go ahead and enter your email address associated with your account. Make sure to type it down correct. And once it's done, go to the next field and type in your correct password. If you're having trouble to remember your password, you can click the Reset Password button to set or create a new password. Finally, fill in the details and click Login, and you'll be able to sign in to your Atlantic Bay mortgage account. After signing in, you should see your mortgage details, transaction history, payment due dates, and loan balance. So that is how you can easily sign into your Atlantic Bay mortgage account online. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.